Welcome to Metrics That Matter Check-in to Change module overview by Knowledge Advisors. How does measurement software improve the effectiveness and business outcomes of learning, you ask? Here are 5 important features and benefits. 1. Practice. Knowledge Advisors is a trusted source of thought leadership for evaluating the effectiveness of critical human capital initiatives. 2. Cloud computing. Metrics That Matter, our flagship software, utilizes a cloud-based architecture to enable easy implementation and integration with other enterprise systems. Integrated reporting. Matter integrates data from multiple enterprise systems with information collected through evaluations and assessments. Analysis is rendered through automated dashboards, scorecards, and detailed customizable reports. In social learning measurement. Metrics That matches beyond formal learning programs and learning management systems to measure the learning effectiveness in informal and social learning environments. And 5. Benchmarking. Metrics That Matter includes a benchmark database with over 750 million external data points and standard reports. It can be sliced by industry, course type, job function, and more to compare your learning effectiveness against external averages. Our data storage, processing, and reporting system is what you need in order to accomplish your measurement goals in a user-friendly environment. We can collect, store, process, and report your data in a timely manner, allowing you, the user, to access very visual, articulate, and concise reports. It has powerful capabilities to take your most basic inputs from class attributes to evaluations, tests, and other business data and translate those into outcomes in the form of clear, concise reports and dashboards. Today, we'll do a walkthrough of how employees and managers use our tool, Check-in to Change, to set, review, and update goals. There are examples of reports that summarize the data. First, look about what Check-in to Change is. It is a simple performance support tool that will positively impact manager support through goal setting and tracking. It will foster dialogue between employees and managers to reinforce application of training back on the job. Key points around Check-in to Change. It is an awesome on-the-job reinforcement tool. It encourages collaboration and fosters dialogue between the manager and employee. It promotes interaction and follow-up to increase training's impact. It will track progress over a period of time and help managers with little time or tools. It's very easy to use. It is a punishment for managers not having conversations with employees, a performance management tool, or a substitute for performance reviews. To look at the setup, process, and reporting of Check-in to Change. Change program created in Metrics That Matter, which starts by defining the program rules, which includes the number of goals each learner creates, and on what frequency the check-in should occur. Also modify the content of emails which are sent to the learners and managers. And lastly, you would add email addresses of the learners and managers who participate in the program. Learners complete the program. Each learner will receive an automated email asking them to set up their specific goals that help them apply the training back on the job. Example of the message a learner would receive to set their goals. When they click on the link, their portal page will launch in their browser and the goal setting process begins. After the learners created their goals, an automated email is sent to the manager, and this process to review the goal will begin. To roll, the manager have the ability to approve, reject, or make a goal obsolete. Here's an example of the learner portal. To add a goal, the learner will simply want to select the business outcome that relates to the goal. Find the goal, the targeted improvement percentage, and a description of that goal. Once that is created, the email is sent to the manager, and manager portal page will be created. Once the manager has approved the goal, it automatically sent out at periodic intervals, weekly, monthly, or quarterly, to remind the learners to update their goals of current progress. Here you see that the manager has the ability to change the targeted improvement percentage as well as a description of the goal. In success, they can either append it, reject it, or make it obsolete. Here where the discussion and dialogue begins. To the program, the progress towards the goal and the current goal progress will be selected. Be entered around elements of success as well as areas needed for improvement. Now look at some of the reporting. The summary report provides insight into overall targeted performance improvement and achieved improvement to date by business outcome. This report provides insight into the actual achievement of the goal. As to the goal achievement will help you gain insight into the participant's progress towards the goal over time. This is the business outcome trend. This report provides insight on the average progress your participant is making towards their goals for each business outcome, in this case, decreased costs. Achievement improvement trend line is either flat or downward for one or more periods. This is an indication of a potential challenge or issue preventing goal attainment. Is the performance to goal report. This provides a summary of your percentage towards goal and percentage of each goal status. The report also provides a percentage towards goal by business outcome, manager, or participant. Last, the dialogue report. This see the comments submitted by your participants and managers related to the goals created. Having access to qualitative feedback related to the goals will help you gain insight into the participant, manager, coach actions and conversations. As you'll notice at the bottom of every report, you will find report recommendations, which supplies you with information and ideas around interpreting the data. Summarize. Check change should be used on strategic, costly, highly visible learning programs where specific behavior change is expected and where your involvement will be critical to success. The audit process is scalable and helps to keep the training event and the goals set afterward top of mind. The overview provides additional insight into how check into change can be used to drive application of training on the job. We greatly appreciate you viewing this recording and hope you found it valuable and useful. Please contact us either by phone or email using the information on your screen. Thank you.